I am back at it again with another food video, like trying a new food video. And so I've never tried this food, Belvita. I don't know why, but it looks like it'd be healthy. Like, I know that sounds like so weird, I guess, but it does. I'm on the trail blade right now. I'm bored as crap. So I guess now that I'm gonna try it for you guys. So let's crack this baby open. So there's 4 biscuits in here. I think this is a biscuit. It's not a biscuit. Made that up. So they're thin. This flavor is brown cinnamon and sugar. Suppose. Oh, that's upside down. And so we're gonna take a bite. Yum. No joke. Yes, I know this is disgusting. I'm eating off the hair blade. Crumbs, be gone. Ow. Oh crap, there's a bug on my leg. I would say these are pretty good. I've never said breakfast, but it'd take like 12 of these to fill me up. So, I would recommend these like after a soccer game or instead of like chips, because this has many grains and like vitamins, while like chips are, don't get me wrong, they're good, but I don't think they're as healthy as this. Holy crap. Ooh, they are biscuits. When I was looking for the word, I couldn't find it, but right here I found it. They are biscuits. Huh. Want no biscuits? I'm gonna legit eat all of these. The design on here, I don't know if they really tried on this. Like, I don't know what they were going for. But hey, I guess it's the taste that matters. Let's see if I can put this whole thing in my mouth. See, it's about the size of my palm. Oh! That's how big a bite I took. So would I recommend these? Definitely. I'm sure there's other flavors, but cinnamon, brown cinnamon and sugar, or brown sugar and cinnamon, it's really good because it's not that sweet. And so it's like perfect. So shout out to Belvita. Sorry, I can't speak English today. So, thanks for watching me eat, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. When people like my videos and more people subscribe, it makes me want to do more videos. So, if you want more videos, subscribe. Bye.